VK6 Whiskey Charlie, Victor Kilo 6 Whiskey Charlie, is the call correct?
Roger, you are 5 and 4. 5 and 4 is your report. 5 and 4. And my name is John. Julian Oscar Hotel November. John is my name. Sugar Victor 1, Quebec X-ray uniform. Mobile. VK6 Whiskey Charlie, over.
QSL VK6 Whiskey Charlie, thank you for a nice report. Very nice to meet you here on 40 meters when I'm mobile. My name is Georgia. Golf, Echo, Oscar, Romeo, Golf, India Alpha, and I'm mobile 10 kilometers outside the city of Athens, capital of Greece. I'm at about 300 meters above the sea level now, a little outside the city. How do you copy, John? VK6 Whiskey Charlie, Sierra Victor 1, Queen X-Ray United Mobile. QSL John, very nice, 100% copy. Congratulations on your station. Here I'm running about 90 watts, 90 watts, in a vertical antenna, 2.2 meters long, monobander by Diamond, and the transceiver is a Yaesu Fox Tango 857. The local time here is 10 minutes before midnight. 10 minutes before midnight. Thank you very much for the contact. It's my first time I'm working mobile Australia on this band. 3 hours ago I worked Australia on 20 meters, but it's my first time on 40 meters and I'm very glad to meet you. Thank you very much, John, for the contact. All the best, and 73 from Greece. Victor Kilo 6 Whiskey Charlie, Sierra Victor 1, Queen X-Ray United Mobile. Bye, John. Thank you very much for the contact. Hope to meet you again many times. All the best. 73 from Greece. Bye. Sierra Victor 1.